to Stay Puffed. Not Stay. Welcome to the Sunflower Shopee. Okay, now, what is a Sunflower Shopee, you may ask? It's an online website that sells a bunch of items, and I'm gonna be, this is a TV show that shows some of the items one by one. Now let's get the first one out. The first one is a nice looking air horn, and that's what happens when you do the thingamajiggy with the doozy. It's perfect for things. Watch what this man did with his air horn. I'm going to wake this full house animal, and with pride. Zombies. Uh-oh. Don't you ever wake up a full house animal again, or you will die. Get back here.
Ow, I think I broke my spine.
Okay, those two are stupid, but it's not just for doing pranks, but it's also for... Why are there fireworks going on? Mr. Fireworks, can you shut up? I'm trying to do a video here. Shut up. Okay, that's just gonna be our background music. How about that? Okay, so Icy did something really stupid, but still, he's adorable and he's a little animal. So yeah, pretty much yeah. Yeah. So he's going to be, I guess. Let's just show the video of what Icy did with the air horn.
I'm gonna play music with my air horn. Okay, this is terrible music. I'm throwing this away now. Ow. Okay, I just realized I'm not a garbage can. I'm a sea otter. I just realized that. I'm out of here. Bleep! Ow. My face.
Wow, and I thought Zomboss and Spotty were idiots. Anyways, buy this air horn now. It will really be sure to knock your socks off. Wait, knock your socks off? Oh my god. And now I'm making bad catchphrases. Whatever. Anyways, see you later. Bye. I don't just buy my items now or die. Okay? Okay, bye. Bye. Mr. Cameraman, can you end this video already? Oh my god. Cameraman, focus on me. That's right. Buy my items now or death. Or death.